Hello everyone, in front of me is LG Q70 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, go to your keypad and let's start with the first code, which is *pound, *pound 426, pound asterisk, not pound 7 but asterisk, so this is it. And as you can see now, we've got FCM diagnostic mode, so you've got events and status here. Whenever you wish to reach some more details, tap on more icon and select advanced view. As you can see now, you can get some further info. Then you can smoothly go back, and yeah, that would be all for the first code. Another one that you can use is *pound, *225, pound asterisk. And here we've got the calendar info, so all accounts that are connected to your device and all its events will be displayed right here. So from now on you will not forget about any important event. As you can see, it's the Google one, your device's internal storage, the top, and also the country that you are staying in, all the events and celebrations. Yeah, that's it. And another one, actually the last one that I would like to share with you today is *pound, £6. And this one will provide you with IMEI number, which is assigned to your device. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.